I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your school computer. First, it's crucial to understand your school's internet policies and network restrictions. Many schools block gaming websites and applications. Next, check if Roblox is already installed or accessible through a school portal. If not, consider if a web-based version might be an option, as some schools allow browser-based games more readily. If Roblox is blocked, you might try bypassing network restrictions. One common method is using a virtual private network, or VPN, to encrypt your internet traffic. Another option is to explore browser extensions that provide proxy services, masking your IP address. Additionally, some cloud gaming platforms can stream Roblox, potentially circumventing direct school network blocks. For alternative access, consider a portable version of Roblox on a USB drive, if allowed. This avoids installation on the school computer. Another method involves using remote desktop software to connect to your home computer, where Roblox is already running. Lastly, if school Wi-Fi is too restrictive, a personal mobile hotspot could provide an independent internet connection. Before attempting any of these methods, it is very important to be aware of your school's specific policies regarding game access. Using unauthorized methods could lead to disciplinary action, including loss of computer privileges. Always prioritize your schoolwork and academic responsibilities over gaming, especially during class hours. Play responsibly and respect school rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.